Hello friends, good evening. Today we'll be doing our second program to swap two values by without using a third variable. I repeat, last program we have done it by using a third variable. This one we will not be using the third variable and we'll be doing some mathematical calculations in it to swap the two values. Okay, now let's start. We'll create a new class, swap two values. Okay, here is our class. Now friends, I just want to increase the font size because it might be problematic for a few of you to see this. So how can we do that? You can go to preference, we can increase the size over here. Okay, see, now we'll start doing it. We'll import the Java util class. I'll write the public void main. We'll declare the two variables a and b. We will not use the third one over here. We'll declare the object of the scanner class. Now take the inputs. Copy this code, paste it, we take input of the third value, second value, we'll save it in B. Now we'll copy this and take the two values before swapping. Now what I believe is that your output must be proper with proper messages and all, so that it is readable to the viewers and they can easily understand from it. Okay, now we'll swap. Now I have given a comment over here. Now what are the mathematical calculations that we are doing over here are print the two values again. We'll compile it. Sorry, I'm doing the braces of the mean. Okay, now see, the class has been compiled. I'd like to show you a dry run of it before executing it. Now take for instance, I'm using this notepad. Okay, the code is over here. Okay, it's 3 lines. Now take for instance A, the first value we have taken 10 and B as 20. Now let's see what is happening. We are adding the values of A and B and saving it in A equal to A plus B. So that means we are adding 10 plus 20 and saving it in A. So right now A contains A equal to 30. Okay, now in the second statement, B is equal to A minus B. What is happening? The value of A is 30 right now, my friends. 30 minus the value of B is still 20, so equal to 10, and so the value in B is equal to 10. Okay, now in the third statement, A is equal to A minus B. Sorry, now let's see what is happening. Now the value of A is 30. Okay, so 30 minus 10, the value of B, the value of B is 10, that is 20. So it's coming that A is equal to 20. Now let's see at the end what we are getting. A is equal to 20 and B is equal to 10, and we have started as A is equal to 20 and B equal to 20. A is equal to 10 and B equal to 20. My pardon, friends. So we have seen before swapping the values were 10 and 20 in A and B, and after swapping the values are 20 and 10. So I have shown you with a dry run. This is known as a dry run. Okay, by taking two examples. Okay, I hope this will be helpful to you to understand the statement that we have written. Okay, now let's execute it. Okay, we'll close this editor window and we'll select the void main from here. We'll give the two values 10 and 20. Okay, sorry, I forgot to give an ln over here. Now we'll be giving 10 and 20. See, the values are being swapped. So I think that this will be helpful to you. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel, and share this video with others, with your friends and all. I hope this will be helpful. Also, please give comments for any particular topic you want a particular video on any kind of program or anything else. You can also mail me at mail me, which is present in our about section of our channel. And thank you. We'll see you tomorrow.